Hello everyone. Now we have another lab to tackle. We are running, this lab will be about redistribution, Ospf into Eigrp and Eigrp into Ospf. Okay, what we do now, we are here already. So R2, we are running Ospf. And R2 itself we are running into Eigrp. So this bit right here, let me check in here what I'm running. I'm running rib. Okay, this bit I'm running from here. I'm running rib, but in R5, let me check. You should run router. Do show R5 is running Eigrp. Good. So this bit we are running Eigrp, and all the way to R6 we are running Eigrp, and up to R2 this bit right here, and from here to here we are running Ospf. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to redistribute. So because R5 now does not know any route of R1. For example, it's not even running. So it's not even running in Ospf, so it doesn't know anything. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to redistribute here, because now if you say like do show run section Ospf, we are running Ospf, and then we are running Eigrp. So this one is this router is redistributing router, because it is running 2, and now it's running Eigrp as well. It's running Eigrp and it's running Ospf. Perfect. So now what we want to do now, we want to make reachability between the network 1. So let me go here, router 1, and just to say router Ospf 1. I'm gonna advertise network 11. Let me check if the network 11 interface loopback 1, interface loopback whatever. Okay, do show IP interface brief. Yeah, the loopback of 11 or the 11 is not even safety. It's not even safety. So let me go to 10, and I will write 11, and 11. So I'm gonna advertise this network into Ospf, because I want to have R2, I want to have R5 to have reachability R1, network 1 and network 11, and network 13 and network 14, because after we redistribute. So R2 is responsible in that way. R2 is the redistribution one. It's the redistribution point. Good. Okay, cool. Let me just go a little bit up. So now I'm gonna go to R2 and say router Ospf 1, and I'm gonna say redistribute Eigrp, and then Eigrp has a autonomous system 1 and then we're gonna give subnets. So why are we giving to subnets? This is why I'm gonna make you clear, guys. I'm gonna make it clear for you guys this point. And when we are under Ospf now. We are under Ospf now. We are under Ospf now. So any characteristics that Ospf has will be applied into Eigrp routes. So what I mean by that, this now Eigrp routes are going into Ospf. So Ospf has a certain behavior and certain characteristics. So these certain characteristics, subnet is a member of it. Type 2 or type 1 is a member of it, like the one I was showing you the previous lab when it comes into external. So now if we do not type it, this type 1 subnet is now on a press enter, because now I'm running iOS 15 code. Now it will be added automatically. But if I was running iOS 2.4 or lower, then Ospf would yell at me, and it would tell me like, look, you know, only the major networks will be redistributed. Major networks, they're talking about the classful networks like 192/24 or 10, or like class A, class B, and class C. I mean, in a short way. So now, whenever you are redistributing into Ospf, always you must have a subnet keyword, unless the iOS adds it up automatically, like this one now. So now if I just take it off, and then I just say like enter, if I go back and do it, I will see subnet keyword has been added. So let me say router Ospf now. You see the subnet has been added for me because automatically. Okay, now Eigrp routes. Now what we have done now, we took our routes, these routes and these routes, because they are running Eigrp, and then we redistributed into area 0 into Ospf. So now if I go to R3 now, I will see 25 network, like 10.1.25 network. I will see 2 network. I will see 26 network. Anything I will see. Let me go and show you guys. And also I will have reachability as well. And let me show you what I'm thinking, what I'm saying. I said to you I will have a 2, so 2 is here. Now it's a rib route. I told you you will see at 10.1.27 10.125 is here. I told you like you will have a 26 10.1.26 10.1.26 is here. I showed you because these guys, they had a redistribution, so we still even have 1057. So if we try to pick it at 1057, if there was a reachability between R5 and R7, then we can ping it easily. Because I didn't take off the, no, there is no that type of reachability, so still have it. So now if I want to ping 2.2.2.2, I should be able. If I try to ping the network between R5 and R2, I should ping. I should be able that 10.1.1. What is it? .1.25.2 and .5, which is R5. So it's not giving you R5. The reason why, because we just did one way. We have done one way redistribution, but we have not done the other way redistribution. So now, to make a full reachability, R1 cannot reach, or R3 even could not reach anything beyond that. So now what I'm going to do, if I go to R1, do show. Okay, let me go to R5 and R5. Yeah, okay, R5. Yeah. Okay, so now let me go to R1 and to R2 and make a vice versa, and then I'm going to take the routes from Ospf into Eigrp. Before it was from Eigrp, the routes, yeah, from Eigrp routes they will go into Ospf. So these routes they went into Ospf. These all routes they went into these routes, yeah, they went into Ospf. But now we are taking Ospf routes into Eigrp. So how do we do that? So router Ospf, router Eigrp 1, and then we say redistribute Ospf, and then now what do we have to have in here? We have to have in here, because now any characteristics that Eigrp has, we must put in here. And what is that? Matrix is number 1. Matrix Ospf, and then Ospf number, and then matrix. And the matrix will be bandwidth delay, like bandwidth. I put it 1, delay put it 1. Let me just show you bandwidth. Delay I put it 1, and then loading is there. Reliability I put it 1, and then loading I put it 1, and then MTU 1 or whatever MTU. So now if I put it here, that means like the characteristics that Ospf has, Eigrp has, must be applied into Ospf route. So now Ospf routes went to Ospf routes. Now it went to Eigrp. Before it was like Eigrp went to Ospf. Now Ospf went to Eigrp. So now let me go to R5 and check it if we can ping. Now you see I can ping. I can even, I think, ping it to 7 if you have reachability. Yeah, I can ping, because there was a redistribution. I didn't take those off, I believe. Oh yeah, you see Eigrp redistribution connected subnet of RIP. So that is how you can do mutual redistribution, like routes Eigrp into Ospf and Ospf into Eigrp. And to give you one tip, if you are using just one router to redistribute the two routing protocol, protocol within just one router, like the way I did it now, or I did it before previous labs, you will not have a loop, because you are only going, your routers are just going into a single router. But if you have multiple routers, and it's called like multi-point redistribution, for example, if this one was running Eigrp and Ospf, and it's just redistributing, and you are redistributing here, and you know, and also there was a link here, then there will be a problem. And also there was a link here, then there would be a problem. But now there is no route. There will not be a suboptimal route, and there's no suboptimal existing in this network, and there is no loop existing in this network. Everything is fine. And I hope it has been informative for